Well, we're back, and as you can see, I'm trying to play catch-up from being at Mobile Tech Expo last week in Las Vegas. Now, if you've never been out there, it was a great show. It was an opportunity for us to see a lot of the technicians that are out on the road, see a lot of our ex-students, see some of our former students, former technicians who have worked, with the Ding King. It was a great opportunity to see a lot of new products. Mobile Tech RX was there. Kiko was there doing some big damage glue pulling. We had Get a Grip with their demonstration. They had the Dent trials were going on right in front of us. That was awesome. That was really cool to see a lot of new technicians, new entries that have never been in it before. Of course, Manny's PDR was there defending his title. But it was really great to see, all these guys and just shake hands with guys and just talk with them and kind of see what they're experiencing over the year. Actually, over the past 2 years, because last year's show was canceled. So it's always good to just, touch base with these guys and kind of see what's going on out there in the field, And again, if you have a chance ever to get out there, try to make it, okay? The next show is at the end of January in Orlando. Now that one's gonna be big, okay? Obviously due to COVID reasons and so on, this one wasn't as big as we wanted, but it was still a great turnout. We handed out tons of beer. And again, it was great to see different dent technicians, even new ones. I met a lot of new technicians, that I follow on Facebook and Instagram and everything, and that's always great. But to meet them in person and actually get to know them, as an individual, that's always awesome too. So again, if you ever get a chance to get out there, try to make plans to do it. We're going to be unveiling some new tools and products and so on. And like usual, keep checking back in these videos. We're going to keep updating you guys. Along with that, we thank you guys for following us on Facebook. We thank you for following us on Instagram. We thank you for following and watching our videos on YouTube. We appreciate it. We appreciate even more if you continue to share our stuff, okay? And if you guys don't know what those, web addresses are or the social media addresses, Facebook is the Ding King Training Institute. Instagram, official Ding King. Head on over to thedingking.com, right? Our YouTube channel, The Ding King. If you ever have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-304-3464. Give us a call, look us up on the web, drop us a line and say hi. But again, from us here at The Ding King, we thank you, and we'll be seeing you soon.